Hey guys, it's Melanie. Happy Monday. So as promised, I am sharing a skincare haul with you guys today. Many of you guessed which skincare line that I was sort of hinting at. I believe it was in my Beauty Empties video last Thursday, I want to say. A lot of you guessed that it was the Good Molecules skincare line, and yes, in fact, this is it. I did just receive this in the mail yesterday, so I have not even opened these products yet. I just literally carried them upstairs, and I'm going to be opening them on camera with you today. So I am obviously not doing a review, but I just wanted to talk about the line a little bit because it is new, and it shares some similarities with The Ordinary, which many of you guys know that I didn't really care for. But I wanted to give this particular line a try because I wanted to see if the formulations of their products were a better fit for me. Some of the things that I didn't like about The Ordinary were that some of the formulations felt just very sticky on my skin. I didn't feel like some of them absorbed very well. The niacinamide from The Ordinary actually made me break out, and I didn't like the texture of that at all. I found that one in particular to be very sticky. And I am used to the niacinamide from Paula's Choice, which has a very watery texture and like instantly absorbs into the skin. So there's never any like texture issue with that product for me personally. But anyway, I'll get into a little bit more of the differences here in a few minutes. But I did pick up all of these products myself at Beautylish. I do think that Good Molecules is exclusive to Beautylish, at least right now. Some of you thought that I might be trying the, what is it called? The Revolution skincare. I don't have an interest in trying that line at all. That is currently available at Ulta. If you don't know anything about the line, I'll put a link to just the general page where everything pops up on the Ulta website down below. And then I will of course link all of these things down below as well. There is an option through Beautylish to try everything in that is currently available in the Good Molecules line for like 56 bucks. I could have just done that, but there were just a couple items that I was like, I don't know that I really want to try that. So I purchased just 5 things separately. I think I paid 40 bucks for these 5 things, and with Beautylish, what's great is that if you spend over $35, you get free shipping. Beautylish is based out of San Francisco, so typically I get my packages from them very quickly, usually within about 2 days, but because we had some snow issues here where I live in Oregon, my package was actually delayed by a few days. So I was hoping to be able to share these with you a little bit earlier, but I had trouble getting them here. So anyway, let's talk about what I picked up. This line is definitely not without its, I don't want to say detractors, but there are some people who have been talking about some of the ingredients in here and how there are maybe some ingredients in some of these products that are not ideal for people with sensitive skin or people who don't like certain types of oils in their skincare, like citrus oils. So I am aware that not everybody is loving this line, and I have not tried anything yet. Like I said, I haven't even opened these boxes yet. You can see they're still perfectly sealed. So I am gonna have to try these out. I do plan on giving you guys a like 7 or 8 week check-in. So I'm gonna use these. I'm gonna incorporate them into my skincare for the next 7 to 8 weeks. And I will do another video kind of updating you what I think the progress has been from incorporating these things in. I'm hopeful because I would love to obviously be able to recommend to you guys a much more affordable skincare line. The price point of these products, I think the most expensive thing that I picked up is actually this, which is their Super Peptide Serum. It's 12 bucks. So super, super affordable skincare line. Probably prices that are even lower than the drugstore skincare that I'm seeing right now. So price point is definitely something that I think is affordable for basically everybody. So hopefully these products are fantastic, but if they're not, I will be honest about that. So anyway, let's get into what I chose to pick up. So let's start with this, the most expensive product. This is their Super Peptide Serum. This is formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. I figured this would kind of be a good thing to pick up because this is supposed to be somewhat similar to the Buffet from The Ordinary. I didn't like the way that Buffet felt on my skin. I didn't think it was a terrible product, but I just didn't really notice a whole lot when I was using it. And I got halfway through my bottle of Buffet and then I think I put it in a skincare declutter. I just wasn't into it. So this you are supposed to use in the morning and in the evening. By the way, Good Molecules is a cruelty-free brand. They are, the products are manufactured in Korea. So this is essentially Korean skincare line, I believe. But the one thing that I did want to point out with this particular serum here is that it does have bergamot fruit oil in it, and bergamot fruit oil can be an irritant to certain people's skin. Gotta be honest with you guys, I don't have sensitive skin. There's very little that irritates me. So I don't have a problem with the bergamot oil in here. I don't think it's a big deal, but just so you know, that is a problematic ingredient for some people. So when I link everything down below, you'll be able to read through the ingredients because they are very clearly listed on the Beautylish website. So again, this is 1 fluid ounce here, just basic glass dropper style. I'm gonna see if there's any fragrance to this. I don't smell anything. No, I mean, it smells faintly of ingredients, if that makes sense. Like I don't smell like a fragrance to this at all. Which is oftentimes what bergamot oil is used for in skincare sometimes, to add just a pleasant light fragrance. So anyway, it's barely detectable to me. So apply 1 drop in the morning and at night before oils and moisturizers. Let absorb for 30 seconds, suitable for daily use. So let's give this a go and see if it's better than Buffet. There you have it. All right, let's go to the next thing. You guys knew I would pick up their Niacinamide Serum because I am a huge advocate of, oh no, did this leak? Ooh, that's a major bummer. This leaked. Whoops. What happened here? That was not closed properly. Womp womp. Okay, well, that's a little bit of a bummer. I don't know that I'm gonna... This was $8, so I don't really feel like it's necessarily worth following up with Beautylish about this, but maybe I will. I don't know if that's gonna have an effect on whether this is effective or not. Why was it not closed? The other one was. Anyway, so, well, let's check out the texture since it's open. So this is their Niacinamide Serum. This is formulated with 10% niacinamide. My Paula's Choice is also 10% niacinamide. This is meant to refine the skin, help reduce the look of pores, help with texture on the skin. The thing that this is missing from the Ordinary counterpart is that this does not have zinc in it. So this is not a really watery texture like my Paula's Choice, but it is a very different texture from the Ordinaries. That one just felt very sticky to me. I'm just gonna clean a little bit more off of here so that I can actually get this jar closed. No scent to this either. So I lost about this much product here, but I mean, this is 1 fluid ounce, by the way. But that's not sticky at all. Oh yeah, that's nice. Okay, first off, texture of this, big winner, for sure. It's thicker than my Paula's Choice, but yeah, no stickiness to this whatsoever. I'm very excited to try this because I do drop some coin on the Paula's Choice niacinamide. It's amazing, and I credit that with shrinking the look of my pores so much. But yeah, we'll see. This, to me, when I looked at the ingredients, did not have anything in there that I was super worried about. There is a little bit of dimethicone in here, but it is way down on the ingredient list, and I can't even really, I don't feel that dimethicone feeling on my fingers at all, so there must not be a lot in here. There's glycerin in here. So this does have some hydrating ingredients included, which is nice, but yeah, anyway, so you're supposed to use this, apply a small amount to your face morning and night before oils, moisturizers, and creams. This is a thinner, like serum type texture, so you do want to put this on before you do any of like your heavier skincare, like moisturizers, like they said, or oils or anything like that. So anyway, there's that. I also picked up their Wakeup Eye Serum, which is also 1 fluid ounce. I don't remember the price point of this. I want to say it's somewhere around 8, maybe 10 bucks. It's a huge bottle for an eye product, and this one is sealed, so that's good. This one has a amber hue to it. By the way, all these bottles are exactly the same, so the droppers are kind of nice because they do remove some of the product from the dropper. There's like a little thing that removes the excess from the outside so that you're not gunking up your bottle. Okay, let's see what the texture of this is. It's thin. Feels like a little bit of an oil, but it is absorbing. It's a little sticky. I do feel a little bit of stickiness there, but it does seem to be absorbing into my skin. Okay, now that stickiness is gone. Yeah, that's not bad. This is huge. I mean, this is such a big container of this stuff. Okay, so the main ingredients in here are caffeine, and then pumpkin extract. So the caffeine is going to help with depuffing that under eye area, so it's gonna kind of pull the skin taut. And then the pumpkin is supposed to brighten, firm, and depuff. So massage a few drops into the skin around your eyes morning and night, suitable for daily use. They have glycerin in here, which is, again, a nice hydrator. I like glycerin on my skin. The interesting thing is that the caffeine and the pumpkin extract are kind of towards the end of the overall ingredient list. I'm surprised that they would not have bumped that up further, but I don't know. I still thought it was worth a try, so there's that. 2 more things. Hopefully this video is not too painful to watch for you guys. I know that sometimes I blabber on and on. This is their hyaluronic acid serum. I like hyaluronic acid. I think it's fantastic. The only moisturizer that I use on my face in the morning is, if I am going to use one, is usually hyaluronic acid. So I will put this on immediately after getting out of the shower before I even like dry my face off to kind of trap that water moisture from the shower in my skin. Hyaluronic acid is a humectant, so it kind of pulls moisture from the air or from other products that you put on your face and helps to drive it deeper into the skin. So they say here, formulated to draw moisture into the skin for deeper hydration. Apply a few drops in the morning and at night before oils and moisturizers. Let absorb for 30 seconds. So there you have it. Good stuff. So yeah. Sodium hyaluronate. So this sodium hyaluronic is kind of low in the ingredient list, which is interesting. It's not one of the last, but it is like third, 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth to last ingredient in here. Yeah, we'll see. Very last thing, I had to pick up their Squalane Oil. You guys know I love Squalane Oil. I think it's amazing. I do believe that this one is plant-derived. Yep, 100% plant-derived squalane. Just like my beloved Biossance oil, which I adore. Now this was smaller in size. This is only 0.44 fluid ounces, but typically you only use a couple drops of oil. So this one, I was very curious. Was this one kind of open too? Oh, frick. Yeah, this one leaked a little bit too. That's really kind of, okay, now I'm a little bit annoyed. I think I am gonna get in touch with Beautylish and be like, should I be worried about this affecting the quality of the product? I mean, there's not a ton, there's just a little bit that I can tell that leaked out. But anyway, so texture-wise, feels very similar. It's a very thin oil. Squalane oil mimics your own skin's natural oils the most out of all of the oils that are out there, and so it tends to absorb really quickly. It's just a really good fit for your skin. It doesn't really make people break out or anything like that. It's probably one of the best oils if you are acne prone, and you should still be moisturizing your skin even if you're breaking out. But yeah, that's really nice. That absorbed very, very quickly into my hands. By the way, yes, I did get rid of my nails. I couldn't do it anymore, you guys. But that's it. That's what I grabbed from Good Molecules. And I'm excited to try these products. Tomorrow you will see my March skincare routine video. I've been doing that at the start of each month. I will tell you exactly where in that routine I'm going to incorporate these products. One of the requests that I got in last month's video was that I show the order in which I actually apply the products to my skin and kind of talk about that a little bit more. So I will be doing that. It'll probably result in that video being just a little bit longer than normal, but you know, if you want to watch, you'll watch. If you don't, that's okay. I totally understand. But anyway, yeah, so I will link these products down below at Beautylish. Go read up a little bit more about them. Beautylish is, they also send you some fun little treats sometimes. They're great with the customer service for sure. They sent me this apple cider vinegar cleansing rinse. I'm gonna try this in the shower tomorrow. But yeah, they tend to be really great with customer service stuff. So if you have any questions, I'm sure you can reach out to them. But overall, I think this looks to be a promising, affordable skincare line. I will judge it as I judge all skincare, which is, do I like the way that it feels on my skin? Do I enjoy using it? Do I see it making an impact? That's kind of what I look for in skincare, and I will let you guys know in a few weeks what my thoughts are. So have you picked anything up from Good Molecules? What are your thoughts? I am definitely very curious to see what you guys think about the products. So yeah, let me know down below. Again, the links will be in the description box. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care.